Hi guys, so gumising ako ngayon na sobrang puti ng aming labas ng aming bahay dahil grabe ang daming snow. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Oh! Noong isang araw pa nag-snow dito sa amin, kahapon medyo natunaw siya, but ngayon naman sobrang dami na naman. Tapos may bata dito. Hi Ethan! Good morning! We will go out? We will go out, no? So, maglalaro kami sa labas. Lalabas tayo. At magpala pala ako doon sa labas ng aming bahay dahil ang daming snow. Pero, papalaruin din namin si Ethan sa labas. Ethan, don't make it like that. Huh? For this? I have shown in the iPad. Ethan. Guys, yan na yung pinala ko. Ayan si asawa. Siya daw magtapos. Aber I wanted to pala-pala.
Ja, musst du mit zur Straße.
Ja.
Ich dachte, du hast die Pala-Pala.
Machen wir auch in die Straße?
Viri, komm hier.
Bist du Stress?
Ja.
Nicht
Der
nervig.
Pala-Pala ist gut.
Nicht nervig. Kailangan pa pala nating magpala doon sa labas ng bahay. Ay, doon sa front of the house ba? Ha?
Ethan, halt.
So,
Viri, komm hier.
kailangan nating dalhin itong ating pala. Guys, kailangan talaga dito yung mga daan is linisan dahil para hindi delikado ba kapag may dumadaan, dahil kapag napakadaming snow, delikado kasi baka ma-slide yung mga dumadaan. So, lahat talaga ng mga bahay-bahay kailangan nila lang yang linisin. Naglalakad pala kami dito sa aming neighborhood. Dahil maganda ngayon, sobrang maputi yung paligid dahil sa snow. Since tapos na kaming magpahala doon sa aming bahay, maglakad-lakad muna kami, lalot meron kaming aso, kailangan maglakad ni Siri. So, tingnan din natin yung field dahil may malaking field kami sa likod ng aming bahay. I'm sure puno yun siya ng snow. Andun lang sa a little bit lakaw-lakaw. So, I'm sure puti yun doon ngayon lahat. Ang kapitbahay namin ba? Oh, napakadaming manok. Ayan. Kumakain ng tinapay. Ayun, unten ba? Ayan. Hindi pala mag-ano yung mga manok sa snow. Schatz, they are not cold? They are not cold?
Wenn den kalt ist, könnte reingehen.
Chicken egg? Chicken egg? Puno ng snow yung aming field. Ayan, yung aming, hindi yan sa amin, pero sa aming kapitbahay yan. Pero tingnan nyo naman, grabe. Puno ng snow. Puti na lahat doon, oh. Ayan si Ethan. What happened to your child? So,
You want me to sit down and just sit there?
we will make pala our cabinet dahil nasira ko yung, cabinet, shurak. Dahil nasira ko yung aming shurak ba? Diba you disabling this with no screw?
Papa, is I fix?
Ethan, yeah. Genau, Ethan fix.
I
don't need helper. But I'm always the helper, Oda?
Yeah. Because we are on a video that can work.
Careful. Nangalahati na si asawa. So, matagal na pala namin itong binili, tapos hindi namin ginawa. Why we don't make it, chats? Why we don't make it?
We don't have screws.
We don't have screws.
So now use our own screws. But that's why we need to prepare it a little bit. With holes by our own.
Hindi na namin ito isinauli dahil matagal namin siyang ginawa. We build it so late that we cannot return it anymore.
Yeah.
Chef, the mango is delicious.
Very good.
Really delicious, crunchy. What? Be careful, hey! Be careful. Problem. Yan, dahil wala ngang ibang parts, hindi parts, yung mga screw at saka mga lansang nakasama. Ginawa na lang namin is we make takan. What's this takan in English? Nail gun. Ethan-ish. Itong batang ito talaga. Saway. You can sit, anak.
Is that seed? Papa, is that the seed?
Yan yung bata. Diyan nilagay yan.
Seed.
Tapos, ayan yung aming pintuan. May iba pa akong mga sapatos na hindi na nagkasya. Ano ba yan? Guys, ito pala yung isang shura na nasira ko. Marami pa naman ang nailag... Ouch! 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 Mailagay dito. Kaso nasira ko siya. And hindi din siya masyadong stable. Dahil nga manipis na kawayan lang ito. Kaya ayun. Nasira. Nung inayos ko siya, nasira.
Hello everyone. Okay, I'm here in the heating room. You can hear it, the heater start. Why I'm here, I will make the cabinet for my wife so she can put her plant there. Also we have some growing light here. Looks like this. So we also have growing light, and we will see. So this cabinet is just a cheap cabinet. It's good for each level can have 30 kilogram. We buy it in home. It's made of plastic, and there are lots of plastic inside it. Here's some feet. That's how we start. It goes inside here. Now we already have the first layer. So now this. Okay, next layer. I thought I will make this like it have holes, perfect. Because I have also so you can see it's growing light. Okay, I will make it the cable a little bit nice, like put it here, let them down, put them also here. And then we need to see, I need electricity in the corner. So, that is the cabinet. With the lights, the growing lights, and it will work.